guys, we are now here sa Halim PK Airport. So yan ang labas kasi pupunta kami ngayon sa Yogyakarta. So, let's go guys. So, upon entering dyan sa scanner nila, ito na yung inside of the Halim PK Airport.
So, we're on our way
Again. Ulit.
We're now in Edge LP Airport. I don't know the
Halim
exact
PK.
name.
Basta Halim PK Airport going to
Yes.
Yogyakarta now. It's our
This
first...
is our first time to Yogyakarta, and we hope a very enjoyable trip.
First time also to ride to
Batik Air.
Batik Air.
We'll be taking Batik Air.
Hello guys, so kasama ko ngayon si aking mother nonchalant. Mami, ba't hindi ka nagsasalita? Mother nonchalant. Binikuya, masarap to. Let's try this matcha and espresso fusion. Masarap daw siya, sabi niya. So, we'll try this. And hindi ko na siya guys pinagdagdagan ng sugar kasi sabi ni Kuya, at least masarap na siya. Nakikita niyo po yung kamay ni mother ng kalan.
Si Mapimambu, si Mother Carrie Bells.
Sabi ni Kuya, masarap. Pero parang sakto lang. But it's okay. Actually, it's okay. It's perfect. Kayo dyan. Very nice. Vlogception. Yay. This is our view. Guys, itong view namin from the room. And ngayon, pupunta kami sa Malioboro Mall na lang. Hello! Say hi to the vlog! Ready na ba ang lahat? Nonchalant. Ready. Ay, ready na! Masaya na si Nonchalant Mother.
Is nonchalant.
Search mo! Hi guys, this is I think the center of Yogyakarta. We are now currently here sa Plaza Malioboro, yung mall nila. Kakain kami. So, yan, picture sila.